we are going to unveil Chateau Rose, जो कि बहुत ही खूबसूरत, very pretty rose pink tones हैं. Let's open the first part, which is my favorite one. Full body, beautifully done up, intricate hand worked on. The front के motifs होते हैं ना, I love them. Love them. So let's open this and start with it. ये जी है हमारा organza पे, front हमारी body का yoke, आप देख सकते हो. This is right here with all the handwork, pearls, sequins. आप देख सकते हो रेशम, what not. These very pretty crystal petals, gote के petals. I don't know, so much of it I can hardly even complete the details. It's lovely. Okay, now we are going to move on to the next part, which is the sleeves. आप देख सकते हो sleeves में ऐसे ये लगी हुई है. इसी तरह ये border है with रेशम work, sequins and नक्शी throughout. ये scallops है पूरे. For the beautiful finishing to the sleeves, and of course हमारे front open के लिए this punny finished lace with रेशम and sequins, or of course आपने कहीं और लगाना हो, totally up to you. And this is the long length of घेरा lace. आप देख सकते हैं it's all heavily worked on and it's quite a long length, front back. आपने throughout अपने घेरे पे ये आराम से लगा सकते हैं. खुला फैब्रिक है आपके पास. Okay, here we go. So now this is the fabric for the front panels हमारे. Okay, let me open it. So open ये देखिए, ये आपकी entire length, sequin ये plus पन्नी, रेशम, beautiful. This is right there for the dupatta or घेरा or sleeves, whatever you want to use. It's quite a long length too. This is the back of the outfit. आप देख सकते हो back इस तरह है. घेरा के बॉर्डर में आपको दिखा चुके हैं. This is the very pretty and very delicately sequined and embroidered back fabric. This is for the sleeves of the fabric. इसका बॉर्डर मैंने आपको पहले ही दिखा दिया था. And of course this is the sleeve fabric right here for you. Let's open the last pieces, which are none the least for sure. And this is the beautifully lovely and very delicately done up net dupatta with the outfit. Except it's all sequined all over. ये है इसकी undershirt का fabric. And of course हमारी silk pants, lehenga, azar, whatever we want to use it for the bottoms of the outfit. Oh, okay, let me open the pouch. It's definitely once again the pearls for the finishings. But of course, a customary है कि हम आपको दिखाएं साथ साथ. So here are the pearls in 2 sizes, which can be used for the finishings of your beautiful Chateau Rose. So enjoy wearing it and looking rosy and lovely.